RV owners, if your freshwater system keeps leaking, you're not crazy, it's just got trash plumbing in it. The worst part? This is how they make them from the factory a lot of times. I've dealt with this countless times as a technician. These flexible tubes that are cut to length and matched with PEX fittings, it ain't gonna cut it. They leak constantly, sometimes from day one, and fixing them can be a real nightmare. So, I've actually designed something better. Historically, the only fitting available to connect a flexible tube with this kind of swivel fitting had the wrong type of barb, a PEX barb. This is the first kind of fitting like this that's actually designed for flexible tubing. Normal PEX fittings are made for a rigid PEX tubing, not for soft vinyl tubing. This one has barbs in it that's made to grip the inside of that soft vinyl tubing and prevent leaks. When this fitting is paired with a high pressure hose clamp that has a nice wide clamping surface, it creates a death grip on that tubing that's going to stop leaks for good. This is a far better combination than a PEX fitting with this small pinch clamp or Oetiker clamp that they commonly use on RVs from many manufacturers. Now, a quick word of warning. A lot of fittings that look like this that you'll find on Amazon are dangerous because they contain a high lead content. I made darn sure that this fitting is safe for potable water systems. Brass like this that has a higher lead content is fine for air systems and such, but it's terrible for drinking water systems. I've actually partnered with a small American manufacturer to bring these fittings to market. This isn't some big corporation that's producing these. It's two small American companies doing what the RV industry should have done a long time ago. This same manufacturer has also released a barb to PEX adapter fitting that people have been begging me for, and I've been looking for these for years. They're new to the market, and I was so excited to see this and now this. Okay, real talk. Even with this fitting, many RV bad plumbing fittings are buried in the RV so badly you have to rip the whole RV apart just to get to it. If you're shopping for RVs right now, you should check out my RV shopping course where I teach you what good plumbing is. I'll show you exactly how to spot garbage plumbing before you buy that RV. I'm also excited to be working with this manufacturer to bring more types of fittings like this for making repairs to the market. So keep an eye out for that in the future. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this fitting now. Over here on my bench, that is not an AI backdrop. Here's how stupidly easy this repair is. Step 1, cut out the leaky fitting. Step 2, slide the high pressure hose clamp on the flexible vinyl tubing. Step 3, push the barbed swivel fitting into the vinyl tubing. Step 4, tighten the clamp. And you're done. No thread tape, no pipe dope. The gasket inside of this fitting actually does the work of sealing. Most RV appliances, like a toilet, will have this 1/2 inch NPT fitting on the back of it. This fitting is designed so the rubber gasket is what does the sealing inside of the pipe. When you swivel this on and tighten it, there's nothing else needed to seal this joint. If you're tired of chasing leaks in your RV, this fitting is the solution you've been waiting for. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you've ever had to deal with this sort of RV plumbing leak. Check out the description for a link to my Amazon store where I will have this fitting and any future fittings like it that I bring to market. If you want to see my video explaining exactly what the bad plumbing problem is, click here. For a full playlist of all of my plumbing repair and plumbing problem videos, click here. Thanks for watching.